I feel his whole journey is like a movie of that pursuit of happiness.
We do even have ISRO related books like that how to build a rocket project.
Okay, okay, nice.
When I got introduced to trigonometry, I solved each and every problem of 10th, 9th book also, and 8th book also. If you have read that books, you are delivering from that, you must be good. So there is no second thought.
Late night.
Until 12:30 we used to discuss. Again 12:30 to 1:30 we used to play. Then just
Did you do that book problem that we have mentioned?
book is my first priority. It was so unique way. You at that time you told me you are ready for TFR. I know I have studied. My preparation was correct, but I did mistake. Then he was talking about test cricket. Life will always give you a second chance. There will be always second innings. This is not a T20 game. It's a test cricket. Just stay on the pitch. Yeah, I was thinking like that until just let's see.
Okay, you stayed on the pitch until just exam. And his just ranking is 9th, AIR-9. You were targeting TIFR Hyderabad, then Mumbai. Okay. Then you got the same. Okay. Fine.
I was hoping for graph related question because everyone got graph related question. Where I asked, I think before interview you only told me you should somehow take your interview like a discussion.
He was like, I mean, if I say you read book, he will start reading the book in the next moment.
There I got to know what is experimental physics.
Experiment.
It was the major motivation for biophysics. I knew it was not the fault of doctors. Science is not developed at all of body, whatever the cells, or if you want to do something artificially, we don't have enough knowledge, enough technology about that.
We don't have complete understanding. Spine, brain, neurons, we don't have complete understanding. It's still a risky operation.
Yeah, like reading 8 to 9 hours. The what counts is productive hours.
Once you climb one hill, then you will see another hill to climb. Welcome to SNBPLC Physics Learning Center. I am Subramanya Hegde. So today we have a special guest with us. He's not actually a guest, he's like one of us here. Bhargav. Let us interact with Bhargav today. Bhargav cracked TIFR GS. He knocked the door of TIFR Mumbai. He couldn't crack over there. And then he knocked the door of TIFR Hyderabad. He could able to crack TIFR Hyderabad. He cracked JAM, GATE also, and just AIR-9. Am I right? Just AIR-9. Let us dive into Bhargav's journey and let us try to understand who is Bhargav. What I see is like in our basic math course, we have kept one SOP, am I right? Why you wish to join our course or something. In that SOP, Bhargav wrote that I want to get into TIFR. And his whole journey, maybe 2 years back, am I right? That SOP that you have submitted to our course, that is maybe 2 years back, he wrote that I want to crack TIFR. That's the first sentence he started with, am I right? I want to crack TIFR. In his SOP, I feel his whole journey is like a movie of that pursuit of happiness. To have a target and achieve that one. Let us dive into Bhargav's journey and let us understand Bhargav. I hope this whole interaction would motivate as well as help all of the viewers. Bhargav, welcome to this podcast. Thank you so much for giving us time. Let us dive into your journey. Could you please talk about your native childhood?
Yeah, I am from Sirsi. You are also from.
I am also from the same place. Yeah.
But
you are quite detached from Sirsi city, am I right? Your home is very far away from the city.
Yeah, it's called Kadvegadde. Only 3 houses in our village.
3 houses together, one name.
That's it. I studied in HPS Panchlinga. It's nearby.
Okay, near your village only. How far?
2 kilometers.
2 kilometers. Okay. Your family occupation is agriculture.
Agriculture.
And usually areca nut, am I right?
Areca nut, yeah. Major crop is areca nut.
Areca nut.
Other than that, pepper, cardamom, everything.
Okay, okay, small, okay. Could you please talk more about your lower primary? I mean, or going to lower primary and coming like the 2 kilometers, that itself would be, I think, enjoying in the village. Okay.
Of course, like especially in monsoon, it will be very rain in our side. So we used to walk 2 kilometers. It was very enjoyable in water.
Okay, okay. Now, could you please talk about your time during your school, like primary school? Did any science things, what you call triggered, science interest triggered, or just usual schooling? Were you a topper in your school?
There were few students, they were better than me also.
Okay.
But I was also. It was oscillating.
Okay. How was the school? Like, how was teachers?
It's too good. I think we had a school, 4 teachers. None of them are male. All are female only. They have different ambition. Like their vision is now also. There is one teacher called Chitra Pai. She used to conduct Ashtavadana.
Oh, okay, nice. Avadana is something like many people will sit around you and ask you, throw you question, and you keep answering.
Yeah,
Varieties of
rounds.
subject.
In 4 rounds.
In 4 rounds, okay.
Yeah. And
So, okay.
she has
That madam, she used to do Avadana?
no.
She used to
from,
conduct.
from students.
Oh, that's very nice. Like, I mean, the Avadana means like a performer will sit, okay, and 10, 20, 50, sometimes 100 people around him, they will throw random question. Someone will ask some question about creating poem, someone will ask question about art, someone will ask question about his personal life, like that. Like you can search that one, okay. Ashtavadhana or Shatavadana. Shata means 100 people, Ashtavadana means 8 people will start asking the question. So that's very, I mean, conducting that one in the school, like it's different.
Yeah.
You got me, like, yeah, that's a very good exposure. Yeah.
Although we are government
School.
we had a library, very good library.
Oh, nice.
She used to spend half of her whatever she's getting money to library only.
Okay.
So we had very good culture of reading books. And she used to tell.
I mean, in school, small books used to be there, am I right? Like, I mean, what kids can usually
We do even have ISRO related books, like that how to build a rocket project.
Okay, nice.
Those kind of things. From that, I got interest in that
Science, okay.
astrophysics.
Okay,
Actually, at that time.
So that ISRO
aeronautical
related book,
engineering,
I mean, rocket, building small rockets, that kind of book triggered you. And did they used to conduct any experiment in school, or like any facilities were there? Not much
experiments.
facility. Okay, it's a usual schooling, but teacher like went out of the book and they have conducted lot of activities.
Lot of activities.
Okay,
Like
okay, nice.
computers, we had. Other than that, we had all the facilities of sports.
Okay.
And that's fine. But they had different mindset. Like we used to have cluster level, taluk level in Pratibha Karanja especially. They used to start from start of June itself for practicing. From 1st to 7th, when I studied, that dancing especially, group dance, they always won in all the 7th year, all 7 years, they always won in this district level.
District level.
District
okay.
level.
Nice. So, I mean, school from very remote village, okay. If it is winning some district level competition, means it's a very big deal actually. Like, I mean, so I think teachers also played very
like
important role.
She used to go to Rajasthan. There was some song, Rajasthan. What do you call for Janapada? I don't know. Folk song.
Folk song.
She used to pick that one.
Okay.
And she used to
teach you
teach
guys,
us,
okay.
and even Tibet also. We had she was very ambitious.
Okay, nice, nice. So Chitra madam like
Huh.
shaped your
Not only her,
and,
other
and
teachers
along
were
with
also.
other teachers. Okay, that's very nice. So that says like how one teacher can make a difference in the life of many hundreds or thousands of students. So that's very nice. Now, what do you used to participate in that Pratibha Karanji, like in that?
I used to participate
Okay,
in
along with
quizzes.
this dance, maybe that may be group dance. Along with that one, like
I used to participate in quizzes.
quizzes. Okay.
This Dharmika Patana,
Hmm.
Bhagavad Gita related.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah, I do even win district level in quiz.
Okay. Nice. 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 Okay. So very nice schooling that you had. Where you have done your high school?
It's also 2 kilometers from my home only.
Home only. What is the name of high school?
Shri Gajanana Secondary School, Hegdekatta.
Secondary school. Okay. Okay. Hegdekatta.
Hegdekatta.
How was your time during your high school?
It was fully fun. Like, I really enjoyed that time.
Okay. Elaborate.
Until 7th, I didn't get any opportunity to get into sports. Although we had, but we didn't have any training.
Training. Yeah. In
But when I entered to
High
high school, there was a PE teacher. He was very good.
separate PE teacher used to be there in high school, but not in
Primary.
primary school. Yeah.
Primary, they were
Government
focused.
primary school didn't have PE teacher actually. Most of it.
Few government schools have, like in Marikamba, Devanhalli they had. But for us,
Like village schools didn't have PE teacher. Okay. But high school had PE teacher.
Yeah.
Was that high school aided or government?
Aided.
Aided. Yeah. More during your high school. You need to make him speak somehow.
I think until primary I couldn't able to win even a single game.
Okay. Okay. Sports.
Sports, athletics especially.
Athletics.
I got third in 200 meters, it seems, in 7th. I used to participate for everything. They had only three options. I can participate only 3, but somehow I can play 5 or 6 games.
Okay. Nice.
Then when I came to high school, I got him, P teacher. And we trained especially for relay, 4 into 100, and triple jump
Okay.
for 3 years, like 8th, 9th, and 10th.
Nice.
It was rigorous
Training. Okay.
training.
Very nice. So then, how was like math, science teaching during your high school? Because that only builds confidence to take science in PU. Am I right?
Yeah. Everything changed when I introduced to trigonometry.
Okay. Okay. That is in PU same.
10th.
10th. Okay. Okay.
Just sine, cos, tan, cot, definition. And we used to prove some identities. That's it. I was very interested in math, like in primary also. But when I came to high school, I got a friend named Darshan. He was very good at maths.
Okay. Okay.
Everywhere where I see, in exam, only for exam purpose only, they used to give some questions and we have to solve that one for final exam also. But this guy, he used to solve from NCRT himself.
Okay. 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 Okay.
He used to teach me also. I was also very good at algebra, but geometry especially. He was very good at that one. 8th and 9th, we had almost hold on algebra. But when we came 10th, came to 10th, when we introduced to this one, trigonometry,
it was difficult.
like whole book, they used to have some aichika prashnegulu. You are supposed to do, it's not in the textbook, it's in textbook, you are not, it's not in
That is
exams.
left to you. Whether you solve it or not, that is left to you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Optional question.
They have quite tougher question only. Like I solved, I don't know about him, I solved each and every problem. I don't know how many times.
Okay.
Science book, I must have read 40 to 50 times.
Okay. Do they used to conduct any science experiment or something like, or just usual board exam?
No, like our headmaster was too good. He had PhD in biology.
Oh,
He taught in Andaman
okay.
Island. Then he came to this one. He used to allow us to do some chemistry experiments, chemistry related. Chemistry I really like now also.
Nice.
But math changed everything. When I got introduced to trigonometry, I solved each and every problem of 10th, 9th book also, and 8th book also. I mean, in the 10th only, 10th class only, it's just for enjoying, not for exam, and nothing. I solved each and every problem, like 8th, 9th,
From
10th.
NCERT. Okay, that's very nice. Okay.
I can't say from NCERT. Wherever I'll get problem, I used to solve. That I had too much confidence for final exam also. What happened is, in our preparatory, I got very less. Like out of 80, I got 57 or something. It's not preparatory, mid-sem.
Mid-sem, okay.
Mid-sem. Then we had 3 preparatories. First one, it's taluk level. It was quite tougher. I don't remember, I got 68 or something. But at that time, our teacher used to solve only this application, arithmetic progression, only application kind of questions. But they never taught us this algebraic questions, like if you have x, something fully theoretical. It's not application. In second preparatory also we didn't get, but in third preparatory we got 3 to 4 question for 4 marks, 3 marks only. We didn't have any option. At that time, whatever we have done, it helped. I got 76 or something. Then after that, Corona came and
Okay. Oh, that is a Corona time.
while going for exam, I had too much confidence. Without whatever they give, I'll get 100.
You used to participate in sports during your high school? Math was one of your interest? Then chemistry experiment. I hope many physics students says that I don't like chemistry, am I right? Your journey does matter. If someone triggered that interest, like during your high school or class 11, 12, then you will say I am interested in that one. How much you scored in class 10th, like that board exam?
97.92.
97 point something. Okay. So after that one, 97 means usually people will push you to science only, am I right?
Science.
Was there any thinking like commerce or
No.
No. Okay, yeah, fine.
It was science only.
What is next? After class 10th, what you have done?
One of my neighbor, he's my brother. Like he used to do. At that time, he was doing MSc in biotechnology. From him, I got interested in biology. Biology and biochemistry also, especially. I was very good at biology. Then after finishing 10th, I took that 11th biology book. I came to my home and I started reading.
Okay.
Each and every word, whatever I read in Kannada, it was in English.
English. Oh, so that transition was quite difficult, am I right? Like from a change of medium, like Kannada medium to English medium in class 11, 12th.
There was no problem in maths, physics, chemistry. But biology,
everything is in language only, am I right?
I thought, no, I do understand biology, but each and everything I used to look into dictionary,
Kannada word.
It's not possible for me. I thought like that.
That's very difficult transition for everyone from mother tongue to English medium. Class 11, 12, like that science is in English medium.
It was so difficult, like
even for me also, like I didn't know what is radius, what is circle. That word was not familiar at all. Like from Kannada medium to like high school, from high school to PU, when we go to math, when we sit in math or physics class. I think some bridge course is required, am I right? Like during that summer, we used to have very long gap. Okay, in that one, like some bridge is required, like reading and understanding those English words, like scientific terminologies in English. That bridge course is required.
But at that time, instead of reading biology, I started mathematics. I mean, since I knew trigonometry, I had done everything. I used to
Mathematics
solve
itself
11.
is separate language.
Yeah, I started solving, since we don't have any classes, we used to have online classes. I, I
No,
don't
no, I
get
mean, where did you join PUC?
MESPPU college.
Okay, MESPU college. Okay, okay. Okay, that was a COVID time, fully COVID
Fully
lockdown.
COVID time.
Okay, okay, okay.
I didn't get
So biology was difficult because of full English.
full
okay.
English, yeah.
Chemistry also might be difficult, or
Chemistry, no.
okay, it was
Chemistry, I was too confident, like,
okay, okay, nice.
I can handle anything.
Okay.
But I was not introduced to organic chemistry that time. Only inorganic. Inorganic, no, also. I am very confident.
Okay, okay, nice. Then math, you were very
math,
good at math. Okay, nice. Now, could you please talk about your class 11, 12 journey? I mean, in MES college.
11th, I didn't get.
So that is a taluk place. Okay, that's a taluk city. But like you don't have to go to college.
College, yeah.
I mean, how did you manage internet? You had internet connection?
No, we don't have. No, also we don't have.
It's very remote place.
I built a tent on nearby this mountain kind of.
Okay.
And me and my brother, we used to go there. We used to sit.
Okay.
It was rainy season also. It was nice. Air comes.
Everything goes up.
I'll go dry. I'll come back.
Okay. Then which network used to come? Jio, BSNL? Jio.
Other than that, we don't have BSNL or.
Now they don't have optical fiber connection.
We have, but
we have now.
it's also 2 week only.
Okay.
BSNL optical fiber.
Okay. To the village of like very small number of houses. Okay. They don't extend their business, am I right? But BSNL is reaching those villages also through optical fiber and all, and that does matter. Okay, then throughout your class 11, 12, it was online?
We went for one week or 1 month, I don't remember, first in 11th.
But what about laboratory?
For lab we went. I don't know whether we have finished or not, but we had done few. But in 12th, we got 4 or 5 months at the end.
Okay, okay. Now after finishing your class 11, what was your score in 12th or something?
I didn't able to score in biology because I had left that one. And English also. English is very weak. Other than that, I got rest of all subjects I got above 95 only.
Okay, okay. Math, physics, chemistry. Okay. Biology you didn't score well because you didn't study like you.
I had studied,
but low confidence, like full English. You have to write in English.
But 12th was easy, like genetics, some environmental science. But I didn't get. I don't know why they removed marks. Because of my English only, yeah, maybe.
It is a bit important to have education in mother tongue in the early age, and that transition should be carefully handled because many students will be left behind during that transition. Maybe they themselves assume that they are not good. It's very harmful. Like in high school, they would have performed very well in their mother tongue. But in the transition, many students may left behind. But it is very important to have that primary educations in the mother tongue or considerable education in the mother tongue, because that mother tongue is the base of our thinking. That creativity will be kept actually. Like a lot of creativity will be kept. I mean, because of that one. I mean, you might have seen like Chinese do everything in mother tongue. German do everything in mother tongue. Okay. I mean, sometime like if that bridge course is not there, like mother tongue, like Kannada medium to English medium, I think you somehow math, physics, chemistry, you were confident, but still, I mean, you had a low confidence in biology, am I right?
I didn't have low confidence in biology because I can understand subject. I can understand things.
But you can't express it. Like writing in English. Okay, okay.
No, also, I am very interested in biophysics. I want to go to biology, but that's not the problem.
Nice. Now you can express yourself. You are speaking good English. You don't have to worry. Fine. Okay.
But some students might have that fear while 10 to 11, while going to 10 to 11.
I mean, I'm very worried that what if they are left behind? You got a point. What if they think that they are not good at that one and
I have seen a lot.
Yeah, that happen. So maybe 1 or 2 month bridge course, like to understand those English terminology, and math itself is separate language, like just some word change. But still, first math class was difficult for me, like circle, radius, diameter. I didn't know any of those words actually.
I don't know about rest of the high schools, but I have never felt that in any quizzes also in high school only. They used to, if they used to ask in English as well as in Kannada also, but for some students they might feel those students are from English medium, they might know much than me, but we never felt that one. I always had that I am studying in my mother tongue. I know I should grab everything much clearly than who is studying in English.
Yeah, exactly.
So
Yeah, that's right. That's the right one. I think that is the philosophy behind what you call having education in the mother tongue. Like you will have a depth of understanding. You will put it in your way.
yes,
You got a point. Like that language barrier won't come. But since we are globalized, like I mean, we need to somehow communicate to the world in English only.
that's true.
That's why you see all German website. It will be in German as well as English actually. Am I right? So Chinese website also Chinese as well as English. Okay, that's nice. But that transition should be taken care. Okay, so you scored very well in physics, chemistry, math. Then what you have done in after class 12th?
Yeah, I had prepared for JEE.
I think you went to Kota.
I went to Kota.
Okay. So how did that thinking came? Because in the city, small city like Sirsi, okay, like after class 12th, I will go to Kota, prepare for JEE. That is out of the syllabus. That's out of the box thinking. How did that mindset or that challenge taking
It was
mindset?
a mistake also, but
No,
it was
whatever,
a challenge
like,
also. I used to watch they had motion education.
Motion
They had some videos. There was a sir called Gavesh Bharadwaj. He used to teach mathematics. It's too well. Like only because of him, I got there. I mean, I thought he used to teach there. I thought of going there. So
Okay.
before that one, there was a teacher called Ashish Arora. He had a channel called Physics Galaxy. It was too old channel, like 16 years back. He made small videos. Until now, whatever I felt, he used a lot of books for preparing his
Lectures.
Notes. In 1980 or 1990, he took some students to International Olympiad, Physics Olympiad. After that, many of his students cracked International Physics Olympiad. He was a HOD of Allen Jaipur, maybe. Then I was thinking about I'll go to Allen Jaipur, but at that time he left Allen.
Okay.
Then
you thought of enrolling to motion. Okay. That's fine. Like you enjoyed their video, like their teaching and all, but like taking the decision that I will prepare 1 year for JEE, that kind of environment is not there in Sirsi, am I right? You wanted to crack JEE, like I mean, how that mindset came, or any peer group where you had any thinking like I want to prepare for JEE?
None of them, other than me, had a goal of cracking JEE.
Okay.
But Kartikeya, he used to solve along with me.
Kartikeya was another student, okay, our previous student.
Darshan, he is also along with me. He prepared for NDA.
Okay, NDA.
He used to run 4 or 5 kilometers every day. Then we used to go to bus. Then he prepared for NDA. He got up to interview level. Then he couldn't able to crack. So he was very good at math. So I was also along with him.
Nice. Somehow, I mean, that is triggered. Like I want to prepare for JEE. You are enrolled into motion education. Then I think you got into some health issue.
Only 2 months. A lot of pressure on me because I came from there. I mean, I have to do.
You used to understand Hindi well? Hindi you could able to understand.
I learned from watching cartoon.
Cartoons, okay. What is that? Chota Bheem?
Pokemon.
Pokemon, okay. Then you ended up with health issue, like something you told?
Yellow fever.
Okay.
That was my mistake also, because I was studying too hard. They had some motivational thing, 14 to 15 hours daily you study. I haven't concentrated on my health and food also. It was too oily.
Okay, that jaundice, like yellow jaundice, am I right?
Because of water only, water.
Oh, water. Water and oily food also matters a lot. Okay. Then again, you quit after 2-3 months.
I came back to my home for 1 month, but that consistency, it dropped there, because I used to study for 8 to 9 hours every day, but after coming to home, I was concentrating on my health. And it was rainy season.
Okay.
I didn't even tell I'm going to Kota to my friends also. I just went.
Okay.
Then they got to know. They called me one day.
Okay, you didn't tell your friends, only your family members knew that you went there. Okay.
But I was too mad. I mean, that idiot. I came here for taking rest. Then I played Dasara sports.
Okay.
I participated in 4 into 100 relay.
During Dasara, locally they will conduct some sports actually. Okay.
Again, I went for triple jump. I lost there. I couldn't able to, I mean, my body was not supporting me, but still, I had enough motivation to run.
Okay. Then you didn't go back, am I right? Like
I went for a few months, but
that continuity was lost.
what happened was, first 2 months, especially in organic chemistry, I failed in chemistry only. There was a teacher, he was too good. He used to teach some basics, like what happens, aromaticity, these kind of things, some basic about components. But when I took that gap, 1 month of gap, he stopped teaching. That coaching institute added some other guy. But it should not be like that. If someone is teaching organic chemistry, he should teach the whole.
He should complete and then
Complete that one. It was very disappointing for me.
Okay.
Like I couldn't able to grab his ideas. He was too good. First teacher. Another guy was.
Replace one was not good. Okay. So, but somehow you pushed yourself to prepare for JEE. Then, okay, how was that JEE exam experience? Like you took JEE in Kota only or in back in like native?
JEE mains I took in Kota.
Kota
or Jaipur, I don't remember. Then JEE advance I took in Hubli. At that time, when.
No, you didn't think like other student like 1 year will be wasted. That is the usual thinking in small.
No, I didn't have that thinking.
Okay.
When I couldn't able to crack that exam, there was a. I prepared well. I had done hard work, but there's something mistake in me. I was looking for that. Until 10th, I had textbooks, but while I went to Kota, it was only about making notes. The notes I really don't like because they used to teach at that time. Whatever we understand, we'll write on notes. But we can't develop that one. We can't improvise that
Improve that one.
Whenever we read that one.
I mean, if you have a reference book, then you read and you improve, right? Like rewiring will happen. Whatever you think that may be wrong, then you will rewrite.
When we read it again and again, we'll get to know, we'll be better in this subject. But in notes, you only used to tell, like, whatever in book, you used to teach only 60%. Then we'll grab only 20%.
You got that. I used to tell, what is that? If there is a book, okay, even though I understood it nearly 100%, in the delivery it will come 60 to 70%. And half of it you will grasp actually. That is the video or class, whatever you catch in the class. Why you have to read the book after the class? Because of that one. Book is 100%. Even though I understood 99%, in the delivery, communication, okay, however good I am, okay, fine, I'll be delivering nearly 70%. 70% of 100% knowledge, okay, and in that one you will grasp 50% of.
Maybe less than that.
Maybe less than that. Okay, in the first class, in the first interaction. Okay, then out of that 100%, you will grasp only 30% roughly. Then you have to go back to book actually. That's keeping a reference textbook is very important. But at least some hard work focus, like you said, like 12, 13 hours, that only cause health issue. Okay.
Yeah. I mean, too much is too bad.
Some balance was required. Okay. Now, after you after this JEE mains and advance, I think you met, you visited us, am I right? Like what to plan further and all.
It was a transition. I knew where I am making mistake. I didn't have any book. I'm just reading that one. There is nothing like. That's the most.
That understanding won't improve if you like read the same notes and again and again. Understanding won't improve. Like revision is okay, but understanding improvement you need to read books only. Yeah.
I didn't even watch a single video of yours. I just had that idea. You are using textbooks.
Textbooks. No, did you able to recognize that was missing in your preparation, JEE preparation?
Because in my 9th, 10th, I used to read a lot of books. Lot of books. If
that used to deepen your understanding also.
Not even 3 or 4 times. I read
many times.
Maybe 35 to 40 times freshly. Each time I used to enjoy that one. Each time I used to grab something new. I was missing that one in my JEE preparation.
So then when you saw like book learning in our learning center,
then I got to know if you have read that books, you are delivering from that, you must be good. So there is no second thought.
No, conventional coach also do the same thing, but like they should, according to me, they should motivate student also to read the book. That's it. Okay.
Before calling you, I had Klepner and Berkeley physics course. I bought that one. Then I got to know about you from Karthikeya. Then I called you.
Karthikeya already joined us, or he knew about it. Okay. Then I think we suggested you to join some BSc college here, so that you can take our course. Because again, if you start your BSc in Sirsi, you can't attend physical course here. Right? So then you joined St. Joseph College. Now it is university. You didn't think like in between, like I will attend state level exam, go to engineering, like how basic science
at that time I didn't thought about it, like think about it.
How basic science? Why basic science?
In Kota only, I had a teacher called Rahul Kumar. He was from Bihar. But few from teachers, they introduced some Russian textbooks like Irodov, Krotov, some mathematics, SLONI. Then it was really solvable. It was very good books. And he even told about Resnick Halliday. At that time, I used to, before JEE, in 11th and 12th, I used to solve only mathematical problems. When I got that taste of using math in physics, then I thought like, okay, physics is for me.
Okay, nice. While using math in physics, you got more interested.
It was very much enjoyable. He introduced me those things.
That Resnick, like Irodov, while solving those problems, and again math books. Okay, very nice. So, okay, you decided to do basic science. Then in St. Joseph, what all elective you have taken?
All are related to biology.
Related to?
Biology.
No, I mean main like I think two major.
Two major, physics and mathematics.
Physics and mathematics.
Mathematics.
All electives are biology. Nice. Okay.
I do have that in mind. I will do some interdisciplinary things.
Okay.
Because after going there, I had some regret. Is BSc for me or not? I should have done easy.
What is that?
BTech, Electronics and Communication.
After joining BSc, you felt like, okay, you like to do more lab experiments, like, and you told like interdisciplinary. Okay. So I think during first year you didn't join us, am I right? During second year you joined us like for the course.
I joined
like, he met us soon after his JEE attempt. Like what we strongly suggest those who are doing like BSc in Bangalore, BSc or MSc in Bangalore, we strongly suggest them to stay near our learning center and then go to college. If you are staying somewhere, your college is somewhere else, our learning center is somewhere else, am I right? You don't, even if I say weekend you come here and study, you have seen, am I right? Bangalore students are not coming regularly like to study here. There are many Bangalore students in our course. So that won't work. Like that suggestion he took quite seriously. Like what I told strongly, you stay nearby learning center, okay, and you travel to college. Even though you miss class, let it be, but you stay near to this one, so that night, evening, morning, holidays, you can come to class and you can study. So and he did that one. Like he took that decision. Like many students didn't take the decision. Many students from Bangalore, they face trouble. If their native place is Bangalore, they face trouble.
that's true.
How my home is in Bangalore, how can I go and stay in hostel? You got to point. That is the thinking. But they have to think quite out of the box because practically like 6 months, 1 year, it's quite hard. Like from home traveling to college, from home coming to our class, even in the weekend. Okay, in Bangalore, like it's very hectic to travel. So then you took the decision to like stay near our learning center. Now, I mean, was that your second year of BSc or first year of BSc?
Second sem.
Second sem. Okay, January. I mean, am I right? Like that 1 year course you have started. Then like Kartikeya also joined that batch only.
Yeah.
Kartikeya joined that batch only. Aditi joined after that one, like after some.
She joined for thermodynamics.
Okay, during your second sem, like during January, you joined our course. Like that is the strong suggestion to Bangalore student that come out of that comfort zone. Like maybe you are a native Bangalorean, but at least during the course, it's better to stay nearby learning center. Like if you are a college student, better to travel from here because this environment does matter a lot. One more thing, like that's a practical thinking, okay? I mean, you may think like, okay, I will go to learning center Sunday and I will study over there, but it's not practical. Like it won't happen. It didn't happen with many students. Aditi came very regularly, but still during exam and all, she also used to struggle. Yeah, I hope that is a strong suggestion to any Bangalore student like who is joining us. You just forget that you are from Bangalore and you stay nearby learning center. Maybe food issue, hostel issue, those will be there, but prioritize learning. Now again the same $1 million question that most of the students may ask, like how did you manage college, our course, assignment, okay, quizzes?
Nothing, there was nothing. I used to go to college.
Not as hectic as quota.
But,
You have seen that one, am I right?
yeah.
Okay.
Only the thing was I was traveling through buses. That was quite hectic. After that, we used to play cricket every day.
Okay. Where?
Every day. That hall.
Okay.
Literally every day.
Okay.
I do play.
That's small cricket, not big, like within the hall.
Still, it takes.
Still that bat is there somewhere.
Here you can't play, but we had a lot of space there.
Okay.
Before class, I do even play.
Nice. Okay. Like what was your daily schedule? Because from here you used to change 2 buses, am I right, to the college? College.
Yeah.
Like commuting time was hectic, and our class was very near to your room. But that decision should be taken. Okay. Yeah. It was hectic to go to college, but like if he stays somewhere else nearby the college, then he would not have had this much progress actually. Okay. Now your schedule, like
I just had simple motivation, like before attending class, at least whether I could able to solve question or not, at least I could able to read whatever given in that book.
before coming to class, you used
Before
to
coming
read.
to class, because I was sitting in front row. You should see my face. Yeah,
If more confusion means I have to teach it again and again.
you'll get to know whether I have read it or not. That's why I used to sit in front row. That was the only motivation, just like that.
And like, I mean, your daily schedule, like morning, we used to have early morning class, am I right?
For us, we didn't have. Like,
Okay, 1 year
based.
course, 1 year course, I schedule classes in the evening. Then, okay, look at here, you go to college in the morning, maybe 7, you, St. Joseph starts very early morning.
9.
Then,
used to
okay,
leave at
after 3
7:30.
or something, 3 or 4, you used to come back.
Come back, yeah.
Again, traveling itself consume 1 or 1 and a half
It
hour.
might take 6 also, until 6. I used to directly reach to class.
Okay. No, you didn't feel like you used to burn out, like?
No,
No.
because cricket was there.
Okay. Just before class, you guys used to play cricket. I was a bit worried, like what owner would say, like you guys used to make a lot of noise, like.
Yeah. I was the last one. Maybe I might be the last one from our batch. I should ask sorry from everyone.
No, I mean, because like owner will feel like noisy, even though that's sponge ball or something, right?
Sponge
they used
ball,
to
yeah.
play with sponge ball with child, what you call, bat, but still like that was bit refreshing. You guys have to take that suggestion, okay? Fine. Be careful here while playing, but I mean, if you want to play here or whatever, like even that 15-20 minutes, if you play, your mind will get refreshed, okay, and you will perform slightly better, okay. Any game, okay, physical one, okay, not chess or some purely mental one. Just check if you can add that one. This area, it is so congested. We don't have any playground, but we have one Ganesha playground nearby. I hope you got it, am I right? That okay. He played at least 15 minutes before entering to the class. That made that mind refreshed actually, okay. I mean, during my high school and college, I used to play every day. During exam also, a day before exam, I was like, I have to play day before exam to relieve my exam pressure.
Yeah, same thing.
You got it. I have to play like volleyball daily, okay. If not, I used to go mad. You got it.
That's
If suppose on that day, if everyone becomes busy, we don't play, am I right? I used to go mad. You got it. That refresh our brain, and you can study more, you can absorb more, okay. You guys check like what you can add. I don't know, like sponge ball, that bat you can play here, okay. I don't mind, okay. But again, house beside us, okay, fine, they may get because you will shout actually, right, while playing. Noise, okay. You check this out. I think shuttle badminton was also there somewhere, but that's a very refreshing, okay, fine. So you can add that one without what you call, without harming any equipment here, without disturbing neighbors, okay. You can do that one, okay. And that, I think, okay, that's a very important thing that we need to catch.
I want to mention, I don't want to motivate you, but we were notorious, like.
They used to make a lot of noise, like owner complained little bit, but they also understood, like they had a lot of pressure, exam pressure. They understood. Like
after
owner
the
was
class,
very supportive.
After you used to finish at 8:30.
8:30.
We used to eat. After the class, Vipul, me, Kartikeya, Kavin used to discuss on board.
On the board. Because all of them were staying very near to learning center. So then, like, you got a point. And I think they were keeping the key. Okay, classroom.
The key was with me.
They were keeping the key, and they were like taking care of that one, and they were discussing like late night.
Until 12:30 we used to discuss. Again 12:30 to 1:30 we used to play.
Owner was very supportive actually. Like, I mean, they believed us. These guys are working hard, like on something. So they actually like that one. Like, they actually like the environment that we created. Like, I mean, here also we can create that kind of environment, but be careful, like a residential place, am I right?
It was just
Mixture, both
because,
commercial and residential place together, we have a trouble. I think that, I don't think residential building was not near, they were not getting disturbed, okay? I mean, while you do any activity, keep that in mind, okay? If any one of you go and speak on that corridor, I will feel worried actually. You might have seen, okay? Because that house beside us, they will get disturbed actually, okay? Fine. You are saying like, okay, yeah, I just attended college and attended class.
that's it. There's nothing much.
No secret.
No secret.
Like your time management skills were too good. Like no social media distraction, am I right? You had that distraction?
No, I don't have Instagram or Facebook. Just WhatsApp. I have distraction only YouTube. That's also particularly on hiking.
Hiking.
If I'll get hiking video, I can watch until 2 or 3 days
Okay.
for planning.
Hiking or trekking or those kind of videos.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
Other than that, no distraction.
Nice. Now, like during that first year of course, like you almost did all our coursework, like assignment, quizzes, everything you could able to do, or you were missing anything during your college or work?
I couldn't able to take quizzes regularly because I used to read. Whenever I'll get time, I used to take.
Quizzes regularity was not there because.
But it starts from TIFR. Then just
did you do that book problem that we have mentioned?
book is my first priority.
Then?
If I'll take, I start from TIFR, then just, then CSR, then GATE, I'll not touch JAM.
Okay. You wanted to go to TIFR only. Okay.
JAM, I didn't like that question.
Then in the final year of your BSc, like that was a revision time for you. And he joined as a teaching assistant for a while, like answering student doubt or small work. Sometime I used to ask him to prepare a solution. Many students didn't know that he is a BSc student. I too didn't tell them. During his second year, it was a revision time for him. He joined us as a teaching assistant, but I told him, don't say that you are a BSc student. And that is also second year BSc student. To especially MSc students, so that they should not get nervous. Like, but fine, like different people have different exposure, am I right? Like you should not compare yourself with others. You got a point. Then okay, you have done rigorous revision. Then I think second year you have taken very good
NPTEL course.
quizzes and all, am I right?
Quizzes
you could able to take quizzes and all. Then you were doing a NPTEL course also, am I right? Could you please quote more about that one, NPTEL?
That was the thought. Like I have done quantum mechanics and ED here, but I wanted to do like used to watch MIT OCW.
MIT.
Like a course, semester-wise course. I wanted to do those quantum mechanics and electrodynamics, like a semester-wise course, because you didn't have time to teach fully. Like you can't give that much time. You are only taking only 1 or 2 months for each subject.
Yeah, I mean, in our course it was like within 1 or 2 months we should complete that one.
Yeah.
You want to do full semester kind of course.
Semester kind of course. So like how it goes in MIT.
How it goes in MIT, yeah, that's good. Okay, so TIFR GS, like you revised fully before TIFR GS or?
Fully.
Fully,
Like
okay.
I was prepared only for TIFR.
TIFR, You raise your volume.
I prepared more than 95% in that syllabus. I was hoping for Hyderabad because of interdisciplinary. When I had a strategy also. I asked everyone who were cracked IPST.
Okay. You were targeting TIFR Hyderabad, then Mumbai. Okay. Then you got the same. Okay, fine. Now, how was your experience during your TIFR GS exam? You had a confidence that they would call you, like?
I had a confidence that TIFR Mumbai will call me, but I didn't have confidence about Hyderabad.
Why?
Because according to me, for TIFR Hyderabad, they'll ask this kind of question which is related to their subject, optics.
Okay. I mean, they will check which question you have attempted
Optics related question.
during the exam, and on that basis they will select. In that thinking, you thought like only Mumbai will select.
Optics, electronics, those experimental related question.
You got them. They have a strategy. They put lot of experimental related question in the TIFR GS exam to pick the candidate.
But I could able to solve one error question and one fluid dynamics question. Fluid dynamics is there in TIFR Hyderabad. So I think because of that they might have called me.
Okay, nice.
But Mumbai, they will call from theoretical question like mechanics.
Okay. After TIFR GS exam, you had a confidence that
Mumbai will
call for you. Okay, nice. Then did you prepare for JAM or GATE? What was your focus after TIFR GS?
Soon after TIFR GS, we went for Kudremukha.
Okay.
2 days.
For trekking?
Trekking.
Kudremukha is a place, okay? Kudre means horse face.
Horse face.
Okay, Kudremukha.
At that time I thought that TIFR GS is over. Okay, let's take one gap. We went there.
Karthikeya also?
Karthikeya.
He's there on the meeting.
I took some time and I came back. Then 1 week. I went home also. Then along with college students, I went for a ride, maybe for Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
We rented a bike. We went there, we came back. While returning that bike, I got that mail.
You
maybe it was, I don't know when it came.
But you didn't focus for JAM. Like, okay.
I used to. I mean, at that time, when I came back from home, I started watching his videos, Aditya sir's. Whatever, how I prepared. JAM is not aligning
with them. Like you were too focused on TIFR and just even
those kind of questions.
Quiz also you used to take in that order only.
At that time, I can't able to solve that much questions. After TIFR GS, I got mail on that day. I was very happy. Then I thought of
so TIFR Mumbai called you for screening test.
Then I thought of I'll do only quantum mechanics. I mean until TIFR Mumbai. After that I can see. I solved full ZTV, those 4-5 chapters, each and every question. Griffiths also, and I took Tanuji.
Cohen and Tanuji.
That's also too good.
Like for TIFR screening test and interview, you have to finish the books actually, full books. Okay, not one book is sufficient. I mean, at least 2-3 books are
Sakura
required.
I had done in NPTEL course.
NPTEL.
I was confident about that.
Then how was the screening test like? What mistake you have done?
I was hoping for that quantum question. I didn't do perturbation theory.
Okay.
I haven't studied for TIFR GS also. Because IPST they won't ask. I got a question, it was from perturbation theory.
Okay, you didn't do perturbation theory.
I didn't do. The problem was I had a JAM exam one day before. I couldn't able to sleep. I think I could able to sleep for only 2 hours.
Soon after JAM exam, the same night you guys went to Mumbai, am I right?
I didn't have sleep. Only 2 hours I could able to sleep. It was enemy. Then that question also I didn't get. Then I checked for other questions. I got a thermodynamic question. That made me out of the.
You made mistake over there? Okay.
It was, I think they asked they gave one PV diagram or TS diagram, I don't remember, maybe PV diagram. They had 4 sub questions. Something related to entropy. At the end, they were asking to convert it into TS diagram. I didn't see that one. I just saw diagram. I saw first and second question. I had a unique approach on that day. Since PV diagram is given, they were asking about entropy. Let's take a random diagram in TS, random curve in TS diagram. I started with TS diagram.
Started with TS,
TS
diagram. You
diagram.
didn't refer to that diagram.
I didn't see that last question. They were asking for TS diagram. I started from TS diagram. I solved through TS diagram only. There was one unknown curve. I think it was isobaric that we are supposed to find through these questions. That I took.
Okay, you didn't understood the question well, like somewhere, or you didn't read the question.
I didn't read that last question. It was unique approach, but I took like, let's say there is a random curve A to C, which we'll find soon. Then I proceeded. I found out, find it out that it is isobaric, but at the end, I don't know what happened to me. While drawing TS diagram, I just stick that old diagram only. I forgot to mention that that's isobaric curve.
Okay,
That,
whatever.
It should be, I mean.
Okay, some mistake that quantum like perturbation theory question. Now you said one more thing. Okay, after TIFR GS, you said in PhD questions slightly advanced questions were there, and in PhD slightly basic questions were there.
PhD I don't know, but
PhD
was,
slightly advanced questions were there. This time TIFR GS, they may have some strategy like to check whether you have done basic to advanced or not.
maybe.
Okay, nice.
Because I had a lot of, I think I have observed 2022, 2025 paper. There was a pattern they were following. Every time they used to have that small oscillation question, this from classical mechanics only. They used to have those kind of questions, but I have prepared very well small oscillation. Small oscillation was, you give me any question I can do. Because
Okay.
because I had prepared notes for of small oscillation. If I could able to score more than 50 marks, if I'll be in that range, and if I could able to solve
that
those
kind of
questions,
tricky questions.
then they'll definitely select me. I think you also, when I solved that one, maybe 1 year back, 1 or 2 year back, 1 year back, I solved that there's a planet, it's coming. You do told me
that will change the time period of the bigger
time period.
planet.
That particular question, I solved it in different approach.
No, I mean that while taking delta T, you might have taken T2 minus T1. That algebra might have gone.
I had solved through energy conservation and angular momentum conservation separately. Then I took binomial expansion. It was so unique way. You at that time you told me you are ready for TIFR.
You got him. He approached that question. Okay, you are ready, but little bit push is required. I told you.
If you can solve 3-4 questions like this,
that kind of question, you can, they will call for you. That I do remember. But since I am in touch with most of the subject many years, am I right? I can quickly generate ideas. Like if students are capable of generating ideas, then I'll feel that they are ready.
but
once he solved the problem, okay, with his own way, then I was okay. Now he is ready. Like I told him, if you solve 3 or 4 of this kind of problem, you don't have to score more in TIFR. They will call you like that. Like they put those tricky questions. They will check whether you attempt that one or not. Okay, in TIFR GS. Okay, you couldn't crack TIFR screening test. Okay, then I think your JAM score was not so well because your focus was mainly on.
it was not like that. I made mistake. When I calculated that one, I was getting 39, 40. But at the end, I got 30 maybe.
Okay. That numerical question, you said you made a mistake, but approach was right. Am I right? Approach was right. Okay. Then I was also worried. Like you got a point. He focused on TIFR. He couldn't go through TIFR Mumbai. Then JAM exam, his score was bit low. He made a mistake in numerical question. And then now only TIFR Hyderabad is remaining, am I right? For his the effort that he put, okay? Like nearly 1 year full effort, other year revision. Then I was so worried, like, I mean, TIFR Hyderabad, he should somehow crack that one. Then, okay, TIFR Hyderabad also called for interview. That was before JEST or after JEST?
Before JEST.
Before JEST. Okay.
No, while returning, I was very worried about it. Like on that day, I was in Hubli. That journey, Hubli to Sirsi, that road, I was very worried about it. I didn't get anything. I mean, I know I have studied, my preparation was correct, but I did mistake because of maybe mind. Mind
Pressure or
pressure.
And you said like soon after that JAM exam, like you didn't have a sleep, like a day before TIFR.
Yeah, it was because of pressure only, because I had prepared those 2 months only for quantum mechanics. I was ready for interview maybe, but I couldn't able to crack screening test.
Screening test, okay. Okay, you were a bit worried, like. At that time, JAM score was released or
No,
you didn't check?
JAM just finished at that time.
Okay, then like you please explain your experience during TIFR Hyderabad interview.
I want to explain that phase, how I...
that phase, like soon after Mumbai, like okay, you had lot of hope in that one.
I was lost. Like, I was watching some random videos while coming back to Hubli to Sirsi. Then I got one video on Harsha Bogle. Harsha Bogle's fear on failure. He is too good. I mean, I don't feel any other motivational speaker who speaks practically as much as practically like him. It was like, it was especially made for me. It was like that. What happens when you have that much pressure? You couldn't able to perform well. Your mind will not allow you to perform, to reach that level when you have that pressure. Then he was talking about test cricket. Life will always give you a second chance. There will be always second innings. This is not a T20 game.
At least you think of that one in the first innings, then you will relieve your pressure. Right? Then you will play well in the first innings. You got a point. Like thinking of, okay, I have a second innings, that will at least relieve the pressure in the first innings and you play well. Like, I mean, you got a point. Okay, if not TIFR, I have Hyderabad or like some other
Hyderabad didn't call me. That was the problem. I didn't know about JAM. TIFR I didn't get. TIFR Mumbai. I had nothing at that time. So I was worried. I was watching that video. He literally told, like, it's a test cricket. Just stay on the pitch. Yeah, I was thinking like that until just let's see.
Before cricket is over, you don't retire. Like you got to mind. You don't mentally give up. Last exam, just exam, that also can take you to any top institution. Am I right?
Because I had prepared for TIFR. Those kind of TIFR and JEST have similar kind of question. So it was not worrying so much. I don't have to worry because just I can do. But yeah.
Okay, you stayed on the pitch until JEST exam. And his JEST ranking is 9th, AIR-9.
That was another story.
No, you please explain about TIFR Hyderabad interview experience. Then after JEST exam, right?
So I'll end that one. I watched this video. I went there. I went to my home. My brother's marriage was there. Soon after next day. There are a lot of relatives. I just went there. I took bath. I came there, and I got that TIFR Hyderabad the interview call. No, I can relate only one thing. This is the second chance. This is the second session. But no, I know I can't pressurize my mind. Let it be free. I'll do my work. Whatever happens, that happens. Let's see.
So TIFR Hyderabad didn't do screening test, am I right? Direct interview.
Direct interview. Only they will select 36 students.
36. 36 students they are selecting?
For interview, for
Okay,
IPHD.
for IPHD, okay.
I think for PhD they will select 115 or 120.
Okay. Number of seat is less. Total student they selected for interview is 36.
36.
I thought 36 seats actually. Okay, not only 4-5 seat you said like that.
Only 4 intake.
4 intake.
4 intake, especially for IPHD. Then they have option for 2 seats. They may take PhD students or IPHD students.
So, then TIFR Hyderabad?
TIFR Hyderabad.
Interview experience.
I don't want these things happen again, so I went to one day back.
One day before you went to Hyderabad? Okay.
I stayed there. On that, I was watching that Faizan's interview of experience about TIFR Hyderabad. He also mentioned that 1D box question.
Sudden expansion.
But for him, they asked graph plotting, sudden expansion question, but they were asking for probability, to find out probability. It was kind of, it was not kind of discussion, it was kind of a problem. I watched that video. Then I had one thing in my mind. I was prepared, like I'll tell my primary preference is quantum mechanics. Then I'll tell a little bit electrodynamics, because they can reach anywhere in electrodynamics. Yeah, I had that one in mind. I prepared so well how to explain these kind of topic, like wave
measurement, those things.
That's also. And that free particle, wave packets, what are wave packets, how to explain that one. On that day, you gave me that Ishwar Tyagi book. That was too good. Like
Professor Ishwar Singh Tyagi, I think IIT Roorkee.
Roorkee, yeah.
He has written very good book, very unique quantum mechanics book.
That was too good. I read that before interview, one day before interview, just for clarifying that some ideas on wave packets and free particle. 1D box I knew. Harmonic oscillator I read from Tanuji. Cohen and Tanuji. It was, it was also fine. But
he was like, I mean, if I say you read book, he will start reading the book in the next moment. You got a point. He will ask for this topic, which book to be read, okay? Once I say, okay, this book, this chapter, in the next moment he would start reading that one, not later, in the next moment. Okay. So then, like, interview experience.
I think we were, for IPHD, we were 8 or 9. It was 4 days interview, like out of 9 into 4, 36. They will take only 9 people each day. There are few who are giving a PhD interview also. We divided into 2, IPHD separately and PhD separately. Morning they asked us to go to lab visit, IPHD students, and for PhD students they took interview. We went for lab to 1 or 2 hours. I came back. Then I knew that if I eat something fully, I sleep. I can't give interview. I ate one banana, it seems. Still, I was feeling sleepy. Just I thought of sleeping only 15 minutes. One guy came and called me. And there was another girl, she was from PhD background. He called us. I went there. He told, you are the last one in this panel. Then I got, what is this? Because there are too many students who are attending IPHD, but he is telling, you are the last student. When I entered inside, then I got to know, this is PhD panel.
PhD panel.
They randomly selected me.
They knew that you are IPhD candidate?
Yeah.
Okay.
They had time for one person.
Just to complete one interview. Before starting IPHD interview, they had some time, that's why they just called you.
No. I think they had 2 separate panels.
Okay.
One for PhD only, one for IPHD only. I think they are taking morning for one panel, evening, afternoon.
These people have time, they just called one more guy.
I was there. They called me. They gave me a seat, asked me about where are you from, Like, then there were only 2 professors. I think it might be there might be 4, but when I entered there, there were only 2.
Okay.
They asked me to. I was hoping for graph related question because everyone got graph related question. Whoever I asked, and the same panel, they also asked all PhD students some graph related question only. I was hoping for that one, but when I entered there, he asked me to diagonalize one random 2x2 matrix. You can take anything. He told you can take anything. I can take 0, 0, AB, but since calculation is lengthy, let us take ABCD. I thought like that because I don't have to solve everything. I just have to explain.
Okay.
I took ABCD, then I solved eigenvalue problem. I couldn't able to find eigenvalues because ABCD it is quite lengthy.
Quadratic equation you will get under root.
Yeah, you'll get that formula. You can't solve that one.
You could have taken that AABB, am I right?
But I wanted it to be tough because I want to stop there. Then I can explain.
Then you explained.
Then I explained. I have 2 eigenvalues, lambda 1 and lambda 2. From this one, I'll solve eigenvalue equation. I'll find eigenvector. At that time, they stopped me. They didn't want me until diagonalizing. Then they asked for, have you done Fourier transform, rigorous courses on Fourier transform? I told, it was not there in mathematical course, I mean in our college, but had done through quantum mechanics only. They asked me where you have done that one. I told in this wave packet formulation. I was confidently I told. I had prepared that one.
Okay.
I knew how to explain. I wanted them to ask that question.
You directed the interview in that way.
But they were too smart. They gave a square wave. They asked me to calculate Fourier transform of that square wave.
Okay. That you have done, like
that also
like sign by sign.
They gave me in terms of time. I used and I solved it. It only took 20 or 25 minutes. Those 2 questions. Then another guy came. They were having tea. Then he started. Which subject are you interested in? I told quantum mechanics and little bit electrodynamics. What do you mean by little bit? They asked me. You can ask anything. I told like that because maybe for one PhD student, they asked him to derive that Lenz's law. I was prepared for that. I mean, I was okay with anything in electrodynamics. Although I don't know the concept, on board I can think I can answer that one. I had enough confidence. And I had enough confidence on one-dimensional potential in quantum mechanics.
What did they ask? Like that new professor, what did
he started with, I'll give you magnetic magnetic field on your system. What happens? It was not clear. The question was not clear. But I told, sir, I am not getting. Then another professor told, you are from BSc, you must have done only how much you have did in quantum mechanics. Then I told only up to 1D potential. Then he.
Oh, you are smart over there. Only up to 1D potential.
1D potential.
Even though you have done perturbation of at least 3D angle.
I have done.
You have done. Okay.
Then he came to draw 0 to A.
Box sudden expansion.
Box. You'll expand it suddenly. You'll measure it suddenly, just after expansion. What happens to probability? It was a ground state wave
what
function.
happens?
When you'll measure probability of getting energy, ground state energy, what you'll get? He asked me that one. Like we have solved here. Initially it was a 0 to A state, then it is 0 to 2A state. initially when I measure that one, it is finite probability, 100%. I will get ground state only because he has given that one. But after expanding, it is not a eigenstate of that. Yeah, it is probabilistic. I told if I measure that one, I'll not get finitely, but it is
Probabilistic.
less than 1. Probability must be less than 1. He was not satisfied. He asked me to explain. Then I explained everything. I was repeating, like the second one, he was given that wave function, root 2a by sine n by x by a, sine naught. It was given. I was again and again telling it was finally this particular wave function I have to expand in terms of final wave function. He asked twice. Then what do you mean by wave function? He asked. Then I got to know. This is not wave function. This should be eigenvector. Initially, I have some different eigenvectors. Finally, I have some different eigenvectors. Okay, this is my mistake. Then I asked, sorry, like this wave function. Now I am expanding in terms of other eigenvectors. He was satisfied.
That is the core idea, okay? Like expanding the state on which you do the measurement in terms of eigenvector. Okay, that's the core idea. You explained that one. Maybe you got confused with that energy measurement word. I think.
Eigenvectors and wave function. I was repeating wave function again and again. In terms, I was telling, in terms of wave function, we are expanding. But it was supposed to in terms of eigenvectors.
Eigenvector. Okay, yeah. New energy eigenvector.
Yeah.
That was the right terminology. Okay.
That was the mistake. Then he didn't ask me to calculate. He just you go to home and calculate. You'll get that one. Then he asked me about harmonic oscillator, about uncertainty. I think in every interview they will ask if I'll tell quantum mechanics, they will ask about uncertainty. He gave me again ground state. He wanted me to draw that one.
Okay.
Initial psi naught. I mean ground state wave function of harmonic oscillator. It is. He asked me to calculate the uncertainty of position. I told, since it is Gaussian, it is h bar by 2 only, minimum uncertainty wave packet. And he told, don't answer me like that. I want in terms of potential parameters. He told me to write Hamiltonian, p square by 2m plus half m omega s square. I want it in terms of that m and omega. Then I took expectation. I was stuck there because I tried to explain from this annihilation operators, a plus and a minus, but he stopped me. You don't need that much algebra to explain this one. You just write Hamiltonian. That's it. Then I took expectation, but I couldn't able to explain him what is the weightage of that p square by 2m kinetic energy term and potential energy term. I couldn't able to explain him that they hold equal weightage. Through a plus and a minus, I can explain. I'll get n plus half h bar.
They were expecting expectation V equal to expectation T, half of total energy. That you should logically explain.
Logically. No, they were not expecting. But I was stuck there because I have to finish that one because I wanted that x square, expectation of x square. So I was stuck there. He asked me, like he only told me, they both have equal weightage, just calculate it. Then I have done, but it was not like an interview. Then again I asked, how are you telling that they have equal weightage? I have a doubt. Like, it was fully, initially on that question also, expanding question also, it was not like a question answering session. It was a discussion only. I think before interview you only told me that you should somehow take your interview like a discussion. Although you couldn't able to crack, I mean tell that 2 or 3 questions if they ask, follow-up questions, but it should be like a discussion. I learned it from Vipul also. He used to discuss very nicely.
Nicely.
That was the last question. Then they asked me, your interview is over. If you have anything to ask.
Okay.
Then I asked, I have mentioned electrodynamics, please ask me from that. Then I can see from your eyes, you know electrodynamics. We will not ask.
Okay.
Then they asked me whether you have which particular area you are interested in. I told I can't tell no because each and everything in TIFR Hyderabad, it felt I like it's
You like
very
that.
interesting. And I told them that I am hoping for partially theoretical and partially experimental. I am okay with anything.
So I was also a bit worried, like what would happen, how it would go, because you were like you wrote, am I right? TFR is your primary target. Okay, nice. Then did you focus for JEST exam? Like no.
On 8th I had TIFR interview.
Then you had SEM exam.
On 12th I had just on 13th I had a SEM exam. I mean this linear algebra, full of proofs. Yeah.
Okay, you SEM exam.
SEM exam. So I didn't get time to revise for JEST.
JEST exam.
But I had done quantum mechanics for interview and electrodynamics also. Classical, I am not worried about it. And statistical mechanics. Statistical mechanics, I had done.
It's easy to revise also, not so difficult to revise.
They won't ask anything, like either they will ask from canonical. If they are asking from quantum stat also, no, they'll not ask those end questions like
Bose-Einstein.
they'll not ask. I mean, just from canonical distribution of Bose-Einstein condensation, Fermi Dirac. If they'll form,
distribute the particle,
that much
degeneracy, like fermions.
Fermions, yeah, that's it. Classical statistics, that's also easy.
The way he is saying it, it's nothing. Okay, anyway. I think some recently that they announced the result, am I right? Like you text. Okay, soon after your final exam, you got that email, am I right? Okay. How was
last exam?
How was
and
that?
Like after interview, I came here. You told me you have the chance to crack.
You have the chance to crack, but I was bit worried that like box sudden expansion, you should have explained with much more confidence. That's what I am expecting. Anyway, that's fine. That happens in the interview. Like even though you know that one, you can't express it fully. Sometimes.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean.
I was in home.
And he explained that writing the linear combination. That part you explained.
Yeah.
That is the key point. Yeah, that's very nice.
He was at that time. He was.
You didn't say eigenstate, but you were explaining later.
I mentioned twice. Then I got to know I am making mistake here. Then I told them. Then they got that one.
Now, how was that moment that you received the email like you got selected for TIFR Hyderabad, where you wanted TIFR Hyderabad than Mumbai because of interdisciplinary environment?
I was in home, no, not on that day. They announced chemistry, PhD and result of chemistry, PhD and IPSD. It was like 4 days back when we took interview. Since they announced chemistry, I was again and again searching for when they will upload physics. I think I have searched for 15 to 20 times every day, 4 days. Then I had exam. Soon after exam, I got that one. But until that one, my mind was prepared. I'll get selected. Like I'll somehow have that.
You answered all other questions. You didn't tell all questions that they have asked. You discussed with me only that box sudden expansion question, but you answered previous questions also.
Very well. Very confident.
Not so like it's a very good performance only. I think in the last day of your SEM exam or something, you texted.
I got call. offer letter.
So I told like, I mean, it's a kind of Pursuit of Happiness movie, like that Chris Gardner, like his.
It's just I was expecting that one. I got it. Okay, that's it.
Okay, you wanted TIFR Hyderabad more than in Mumbai. That I didn't know. Like, I thought Mumbai would be first priority to him.
No, no.
Okay.
Like first year or second, until first year, I was hoping for particle physics in TIFR Mumbai. Then when I took, I also took particle physics in NPTEL from Nirmal Raj sir. He's in IIC. I met him also on open day. But that much pure math, it's not for me. I felt like that.
Okay. So like Bhargav explored lot of things, okay, during his BSc. He has done lot of trial and error. Could you please talk more about that one? You have done NPTEL course. You went for some internship.
Yeah.
And you communicated like open day or something. You got to mind. Like you did lot of things. Like apart from your BSc curriculum and our exam preparation course, what else you have done? Could you please explain? Because then he come to the conclusion like, okay, I am interested in those interdisciplinary field. After doing some trial and error like that, I mean, many people will not get that much exposure. Since he was in Bangalore, like our peer group also helped, I think. Okay, so could you please explain that one? Like apart from your BSc curriculum and our exam preparation course, what else you have done during your BSc or our time, like time during our course?
Whatever we had for TFR, I had done from you also. Little bit from NPTEL also.
NPTEL.
If I'll get something else from NPTEL, some good idea to solve question, I used to take it from there. And especially there is one course on classical mechanics. I think he's from IIT Kharagpur or Kanpur. I don't remember. Old lecture only, 2011 or 12. He taught very well. Formulation of small oscillation and rigid body dynamics. Lagrange also. He taught very well. I was bit worried about one particular question from my JEE preparation, that spring mass question. I couldn't able to solve. If they'll give one spring or two spring, is connected in series or parallel, that everyone will know. But they'll give some linear combination. That I couldn't able to solve. In JEE, my JEE preparation also, when I came here also. But when I saw his videos, although he didn't taught how to solve, but because of that formulation, that might be given in Goldstein also, but Goldstein is very hectic to read. Because too much math, especially for small oscillation. Because when we were doing small classical mechanics, we haven't done matrix related theory, so it was new for me. So I couldn't able to read at that time when we were doing here.
Yeah, that requires little bit linear algebra. I mean, apart from that, what I'm asking is, how did you? Okay, you said you were interested in astrophysics earlier. You got like
not astrophysics, aeronautical
engineering. Like, how did you decide? Like, you got a point. Like, you about your research career. How did you decide? Like, now many students say that I want to do high energy physics, or I want to do astrophysics, I want to do condensed matter. Like, how did you decide that one? I mean, you have done a lot of things, am I right? In
that we are supposed to start. We should read something, then we can ask some professor who is teaching that one. But our students who are facing that one, like in IIC only. I asked Pradeep also. He told me that if you are coming to theory, pure theory, then you should be highly prepared. I mean, you should not have second thought. Like, there is no experiments. You should be ready to sit like 6 to 7 whatever the hours. The same thing you have to do again and again. In India, we don't have any experimental exposure for high energy physics.
Those high energy physics, yeah.
If you want to go to Geneva, but it requires high engineering skills, like especially for CERN. So I didn't have that one. I thought, okay, this will not work for me, high energy physics. Then I left it. Then I went for Satyajit sir's lab. He was building that one,
Okay.
ion trapping.
Okay. So Professor K.T. Satyajit, he's running one research institution. Okay. How was the experience over there, like ion trapping, quantum computing?
There I got to know what is experimental physics.
Experiment.
Whatever I read in Griffith's theory, this ion trapping, I mean, that Earnshaw's theorem, you can't trap anything.
Okay, you can't trap
A charged particle
using only electrostatics.
There I really understood that one. No, I am applying that one. Either if I want to trap that particular particle, either dust particle or ion, I should either apply magnetic field or alternating current along with alternating field along with electrostatic field. That's how first day I read that one. Okay, I could able to apply whatever I read in experiments.
Like electrodynamics, that concept you could able to apply.
Then at that time I didn't took that ED course in NPTEL. It was not started at all. But whatever I learned here, I had read ED book. It was highly motivational.
After that, what else you have done regarding research or exposure related?
Other than that, I went
did
to,
you expose to any biophysics or something?
I went to NCBS for open day. I asked them like what is actually happening. NCBS biophysics is like it is not developed at all. It is underdeveloped. It is in like Newtonian phase at that time. Now the biophysics is like that.
Okay.
We are just building theory.
Okay.
Just we are applying non-linear dynamics and statistical mechanics. How to calculate, to learn about these tissues, DNAs.
Okay. So biophysics is still in a young age. That's what you are saying. Okay.
Very young age. Like this.
Because there are very less students who says that I'm interested in biophysics, or at least that word I didn't hear from physics students actually.
This ICTS, they have very good group on biophysics.
Okay.
They also introduced physics of life for PhD students. I wanted that course, but it's not for IPHD. So I asked those students. I couldn't able to speak with any professors on that day, but I asked with students. But they also didn't responded well because they were also not that much. They didn't knew. They were also in confusion only.
Okay.
On that day.
Now in TIFR Hyderabad, which you may change your interest once you go there, once you explore different lab, but what you're thinking, which area you want to get into?
Quantum optics and quantum information.
Okay, quantum optics and quantum experimental or theory experiment, both. Yeah, nice. Now I think they shortlisted in TIFR Mumbai again through your JEST score. Will you attend again?
I am thinking about attending SN Bose, Kolkata.
Okay.
Same day. I haven't booked a ticket. If I'll get Tatkal, I'll go there.
Okay, nice. Then ICTS?
ICTS I'll go.
You will attend it. Okay.
Because of that group, biophysics group.
Physics of life. Okay.
I think ICTS group is much better than TIFR Hyderabad group. So if I'll at least
for biophysics.
For biophysics. No, I'll not join ICTS, but for at least for experience.
Nice. Now I have one more question. Like you lost your father during your class 9th or 10th?
No. My father died when I was in 4 year or 5 year.
Okay, you were at 5 year. Okay.
Yeah, when I was at 4 or 5 years.
So did that affected your studies? Like no.
My grandfather is too
Okay.
motivation.
So now, I mean, you are little bit introvert,
Uh,
like little bit, not too much, like. But I mean, did that incident anything like on your introvert nature?
no, no,
Not like that.
no.
You were
I am not introvert.
okay, okay,
If you ask other people, I speak a lot.
okay, okay, okay. No, no, nobody is introvert with a peer group. You got a point. Like, I'm saying with the new people also, you used to feel little bit, used to talk little less actually. That's why I felt like that. Nobody is there is nothing like introvert. Okay.
It's not
we,
true.
we
Ask
got
him,
to,
ask him, sir.
uh,
Yeah. Like initially, I felt like he's introvert, but later on, if I get to know after
that's what I'm saying. Nobody is introvert. Like I mean, I feel like with the new people, he don't quickly.
Initially, I felt like introvert, but then after that,
He's not.
I have that. I have that habit. Like I can travel alone
Okay.
wherever.
So I mean, could you please talk more about your grandfather? Like because like how he like.
He was very hard working guy. Like he used to wake up every day at 4.
Oh.
Every day. He used to do puja, then work in shed, related thing. We had 16 or 18 cows.
Cows.
At that time. No, we had 8 or 9.
16 or 18 cows means where you used to take that milk and
Dairy.
to the dairy.
Yeah.
You have done that work like taking milk to the dairy. Then other agriculture work.
Like he was when I was in 10th. He was not well. He couldn't able to.
Breed.
He could able to breathe, but he couldn't able to walk.
Walk.
He was kind of bedridden only. The problem was in this brain.
Stroke.
Narrow. What is this part?
Spine.
Spine. Yeah, spine cord. It was little bit broken. We went to Bangalore. They tried to bone transplant.
That's too risky.
Transplant it, but we don't have any other option. But it was they tried, but
it didn't go.
Then that was the point. It was the major motivation for biophysics. I knew it was not the fault of doctors because science is not developed at all of body, whatever the cells, or if you want to do something artificially, we don't have enough knowledge, enough technology about that.
Like who is that? Who was saying the same thing? Like Ananda was saying the same thing. We don't have complete understanding. Spine, brain, neurons. We don't have complete understanding. It's still a risky operation.
Yeah.
Like he died in the operation only. Like
No. After that, COVID time he died. I think I also got
your class 11, 12. During your class.
After 10th only.
After 10th.
2 or 3 months when I finished that one. Finished my.
At his age.
66 or something.
66 is very young age only. So father died at very young age.
Very young.
So along with his college and all, he was taking care of some responsibilities also. Like just to now that one, I just digged in back. Okay, I mean.
My auntie used to stay there. My uncle, he used to teach here, and he'll go.
They used to go.
Yeah.
They have taken most care of.
She used to, because we have 3-4 acres of areca net. It's not possible. My grandmother is also, she has leg pain.
Okay.
It's not possible if anyone. No one is there. Someone should be there. So she is taking care. But if I'll go there, other than that, I can do every work. If there's a traveling work, bank related, I can do. So for that one.
Okay, he mentioned that for the TIFR exam, like he mainly focus that he could solve at least some of the good question from this electrodynamics and quantum, so that he can get into this his own choice field. So like suppose if I want to go in the pure theoretical, then where should I focus mainly on? Like
I don't want
to get into
TIFR Mumbai.
yeah, TIFR Mumbai, yeah.
I don't want to suggest something like whatever I have done. You analyze all the papers, all the recent TIFR papers from 2020 to 2026. You'll get some pattern. Then you solve. Like definitely, it is. You should have some strategy, whatever the strategy that might be. If you have some strategy, you could able to score more than 50 and some few theoretical questions. You are attending IPHD only, right? You'll have many theoretical questions only. Then you will be definitely called from TIFR Mumbai.
Most of the questions will be theoretical only. Some questions they will keep experimental to pick those candidates. I think if you're theoretical, you don't have to strategize much. Like you solve more and more. Tricky question. As many tricky questions as possible. But like if you,
You'll
I'm
have
saying
some
like if you are interested in experimental, like they put some little number of experimental question that you may need to strategize. Since you are interested in theoretical, most of the questions are theoretical only, and in that one you should have solved tricky question, not only just easy question, just to score more. Okay, they have some strategy in selecting the candidate, like not only on the basis of score, on the basis of which question you attend. If you are interested in experimental, then you need to strategize to pick those experimental questions. Theoretical, most of the questions are theoretical only. You will feel that one. You will feel that one. You start solving, you start seeing previous question, you will feel that one.
I want to add something. Like you will have some strategy, but it will work or not, I don't know, because when you took interview of Alvin 2024, it was following that regular pattern of paper in 2024, 22, 23, 24, 25. It followed. They were similar kind of question. Like I can give you some example. This small oscillation they will have, and this elasticity related. They'll design very nice question. Like I had in 2022, there was one question. A baller used to ball. Some elasticity, they'll give coefficient of rest, like of that ground. It will hit and it will bounce, and it will again hit at bat, and it will come to baller's hand. No, it is the application of one elasticity as well as that projectile motion. So these kind of question designed very nicely. Yeah, these are the questions that were repeating. And fluid dynamics also. Fluid dynamics, they'll ask very easy question. They will definitely repeat. But when I had that strategy, I do even like optics. I had that in my mind. If I'll do electronics as well as optics, then I'll get for TIFR Hyderabad. But when I started attending, optics was in somewhere in between. I couldn't able to find it. Like at the end of the paper, I saw that question. It was the application of optics as well as one satellite motion. They were asking something related to lens. It was again application of adding two concepts, but I couldn't able to solve even a single question from optics. That was because of that I was worried. I wanted TIFR Hyderabad, and I couldn't able to solve electronics questions for few tough. I mean quite tough in this particular paper. I could able to solve only digital electronics question, but they were asking from oscilloscope. I didn't know that.
Okay.
So
since he was interested in experimental, he was trying to pick those experimental question so that he will get shortlisted in TIFR Hyderabad.
yeah,
Because TIFR Hyderabad is experimental, more interdisciplinary, that kind of thing. So you will feel this question is asked to check the theoretical knowledge, this question is asked to check the theoretical with experimental knowledge. Okay, you will feel that one while solving PYQs, you strategize accordingly. But again, as he told, like they change the pattern, like they change the way that they ask the question. You should be ready for anything.
you should have some strategy. Then
And you should be ready for anything.
yeah, my TIFR paper, I had a strategy like, although it was a 40 question, I'll attempt only 20. If I know more than 20 also, I'll stop there. Like, they don't, because of these people who had experience, like, they even solved 27, 29, but they didn't even get call. Because
They're checking which question you attend.
they don't want to solve all the problems. You just solve few questions with accuracy. Just go for it, like take risk. I didn't know that error question because I had prepared error from your lecture, but that question was not like measuring RMS or not a simple question.
Uncertain.
It was related to some experimental stuff only. It was not easy, but I took risk and I solved that one. It was correct only. Yeah.
Congrats for selecting for IPSD in Hyderabad.
Yeah, thank you.
You have revised for entire year after finishing the course.
No.
You
Like, I forgot to mention. I used to study only for 1 or 2 hours.
I mean like
2 hours.
1 or 2 hours every day.
In the second year.
Like throughout the course.
Okay.
I
In the first year of our course.
yeah, like until last month of TFR, I might have done 4 to 5 hours. That's the maximum number of hours. But other than that, only 1 or 2 hours. Because I can't sit for 8 to 9 hours. It is not like reading 8 to 9 hours. This, the what counts is productive hours. If it is you are focusing only 1 or 2 hours perfectly, like correctly, that's more than enough. You don't have to focus. You don't have to read 8 or 9 hours. Like, it's more than enough. Whatever you are reading, just focus on that. Just don't try to reach 8 or 9 hours. I do even have prepared this goal. I'll do this much on particular day. I'll write that one. But not even a single day I couldn't able to finish that one, because if I start some new topic, I used to read it freshly. It will take time. If I'm enjoying physics, it will take time.
Now Kartikeya. Kartikeya was your friend from your PU. Okay. Kartikeya, do you have any question? You have already asked them.
Like, whatever I read, he will know. Because if I feel that something interesting from those texts, I used to discuss with him. He also, if he feels something very interesting, he used to discuss with me. So we know, like, discussion is the main thing in preparation.
Yeah, learning process.
Yeah. Either we'll get less marks in competitive exam, but somehow if you can get into interview, if there is a discussion, then we can survive.
How about the professors at TIFR Hyderabad?
No, I didn't get chance to talk with them. I talked with only students. But I really like the lab. For each and every department, they have separate building. They have very good lab. So I haven't seen that kind of lab in India, wherever.
After like TFR, like what you are planning? Are you planning to take only masters and come out, or you want to do fully PhD over there?
I'll decide it. I have 1 year because they are asking for me to tell that before first year.
Before first
So
year.
I'll decide it.
You didn't decide it.
No.
So
I
you are-
have, like, when I was preparing I was hoping for particle physics. I had Princeton in my mind. Okay. They have very good research group. I should work with them. Then when I changed here, theoretical to
Experimental or mixed?
No, it is Heidelberg and Max Planck. I should work with them.
Okay. Okay. That target should keep on changing, am I right? Once you climb one hill, then you will see another hill to climb.
So I don't feel like competitive exam. You can't be preparing only for competitive exam. Like, you should have something other than that. it is just a small step. Like if you are walking,
It's just a small step.
yeah, it's kind of a hole. We just have to jump. That's it.
Okay. Yeah. After you climb TIFR Hyderabad, like you will see another hill to climb. Okay.
Yeah,
Now
yeah.
let me climb this one.
We should have that hill in in our mind.
Okay. Okay.
This is just a barrier. That's it. Either we can climb or we can tunnel.
So why are you like? If I just ask you to read something, you will start reading that one. How did that came? Like, you got a point. Like, Cohen and Tanuji or whatever. Like, if I say, you got. I said many students that I.S. Tyagi, okay, Ishwar Singh Tyagi book is good. Okay, I mean, very less number of people might have read that one. He read that one, am I right? Like, how did you build that one? Like,
Yeah, it was from my childhood only. Like my auntie used to read a lot of novels, and my neighbors also like that. I have more than 100, 150 novels in my home.
okay. You still read novels?
Yeah, I still.
Which author you like in Kannada? Or everything?
Everything.
Everything.
It's not particularly. In my high school,
Like you like poetry or you like stories? Or what?
small stories, novels,
Okay. Small stories.
that's fine.
Any English novels?
I
You used to read English novels also. Okay, nice. So during BSc, how did you manage time to read these all like Griffiths? Even Sakurai also, I think you might have read.
I think this exams were not in my mind. I had one option that I lost my 2 years in Corona. I couldn't able to go for PUC.
PUC.
That was the great loss. So I have only 3 years here in college days.
BSc.
Yeah, I should not lose that one.
That time was very precious.
Yeah.
Okay.
Otherwise, maybe in future, I'll.
You'll not get the same time.
Yeah, then definitely not. So.
It's very highly focused, like.
So, I have to live that life. I do have time to read. I don't know how it comes, but I read a lot of novels, and especially cricket. We used to play every day. Now also.
Maybe during the course I answered his doubt. Like after second year, I was too busy. Second year of your course here, I gave him work. You solve this one, you solve this one.
Yeah.
And when he asks anything, like I used to tell him like it is explained well in this book, this chapter. He used to read himself like.
Yeah, we used to discuss after class.
But still, like I mean, many
that
doubts were when doubts were remained. I told him like you read this book. He read that book. He got a point. Like
I learned it from one of my professor. He's also studied in TIFR. Like he told me that if you are solving problem, I mean reading book, just look at those problems first, then read theory. You are reading theory to solve that particular problem.
exactly, keeping that problem in your mind.
While here learning here also, you will teach something. Then I'll read that theory first once for trial. Then I'll look into problems. If I couldn't able to solve particular problem, I'll go back to theory again. I'll search for those things which I can
Which can solve
find solution of that problem.
So that is what you do in the research also. Okay, you first understand the problem fully, then day and night you will keep the same problem in your mind and keep boiling that one, like boiling with the problem. Like
Yeah.
that's what you do in the research. Like first thing is understanding, and after that one you keep thinking, okay, how to solve that problem, like over months or years of time, coming out with a solution. Like that process is similar. But here these are problems like which are meant to solvable.
Yeah. But Griffith has given very good problems outside the book. Like in 4th chapter, my SOP also started with that magnetic frustration.
Frustration, yeah.
Yeah.
He has very good SOP. I think that also made difference, okay, in TIFR Hyderabad. I feel so because they read SOP.
it was like in 4th chapter he has given very a lot of application.
Outside the
Yeah.
chapter. Huh.
When that guy he is writing book, he will only he must have only in his mind that if he is giving something in terms of lines sentences, he wanted from those much sentences the student should solve that problem. Student should understand that application. So that much, if he is giving only 2 or 3 pages, that's more than enough to solve or understand everything. But he might have taken 20 or 30 years. So as we have like 20 or 30 times, if you read that one, we'll gradually understand that one.
Especially third edition, it started giving, it started building the bridge to all field actually. Third edition. Afterwards chapter, quantum dynamics chapter, density matrix formalism.
Yeah.
Even formalism chapter also later part he edited. And
In second chapter also, he gave about transfer matrix, scattering matrix.
scattering matrix. Huh.
Yeah.
In the new edition.
In second edition
Like
also it was.
quite modern approach. Okay, like it's a very good like basic to like bridging the advance. Like Griffith's third edition, quantum mechanics is very good. Like
I also felt like I have done your course, NPTEL, and then I took MIT open course also. Whichever the book, higher books like Tanurji, he has given 4 or 5 chapter only for harmonic oscillator. His different approach is very different. Like he starts with harmonic oscillator idea. It is not like 1D box harmonic oscillator, then like that. Not like that. He'll only discuss about harmonic oscillator, where we can apply that one. Everything. In particular harmonic oscillator chapter. So, but whatever we read, but at the end that Griffith's texts, although they are only 2 or 3 pages, they contain everything. Like
I mean that author have some way of convincing or communicating to the reader.
he wrote 3 books. All of 3 books are using as textbooks in main textbooks in our universities. ED, quantum.
He's so like creative in convincing that one, like either in the theory or problem, or the words he has used. Okay, sometimes funny. Am I right?
I do like Blundell also.
If you get this answer greater than this one, go directly to jail. Somewhere
Jail,
they have written like that.
With explanation mark.
You got okay. You should never get that answer greater than this value. You should be always within that value. If you get greater than that one, go to jail. Like that he wrote actually. Like so very nice. Like he communicates also so creative.
Yeah.
I may also feel the same thing when you guys do silly mistake, okay? But I don't express.
In second chapter, sir, I think while formalizing this one, harmonic oscillator, in the down part maybe, he mentioned about this ladder operator. How do you know that that is the only ladder operator exist? Whether it's whether we can't have another one.
Another way to solve the problem.
Yeah. I had even read maybe 20 to 30 times. After I visited this Alan Adams lecture, he is too good. I think MIT open course. I haven't seen that kind of content, quantum mechanics content anywhere. Like he only have 24 lectures. He covered fully, and MIT students are also those whatever they are asking. That is like
Questions are also very nice.
ultimate. We never asked for whether time. Math is allowing time. Go to backward and forward. But why are you restricting that one in this one formulation? Each and everything. At that, in his lectures, he told what actually happens if you have 2 ladder operators. Since we are dealing in one-dimensional potential, that postulates itself tells that in one-dimensional potential we can't have degeneracy. So if you are building some algebra in harmonic oscillator, like we should have one upper ladder, upper step and lower step. when we have two ladders, it will lead to two
Different wave function maybe for
different
the same
wave
energy.
function. But when if everything leads to that A plus and A minus, when you operate that one on the ground state, A minus on the ground state, it will lead to degeneracy. This is tending to degeneracy, so we can't have. It is nicely given, but I can't see that one if I'm reading normally. But when I go through his lectures, and then I read Griffith again, then I saw he has given everything. Like,
That's true. Like he has given everything in the chapter, either in the problem or in the theory or footnote. He didn't leave anything. Yeah, that's good.
although Zetili, he take quantum mechanics in his way, like formulation way, mathematical way. But Griffith is different. He approaches with some example.
Example.
That is nice way of convincing.
So thank you, Bhargav, for joining this session.
It's fine.
And when I see your journey, because I have seen you from your soon after your JEE attempt, you came here. I mean. So since I saw you like the whole journey and your SOP, okay, it looked like Pursuit of Happiness. Have you guys seen that one? Okay, Chris Gardner's story. I felt like that. Okay, you wanted TIFR Hyderabad, you somehow pursued it, like you somehow made it happen. It's very nice journey. Like I hope your whole journey would motivate the student. And again, as I already discussed during Aditi's interaction, like during college you have to prepare. You will not have much pressure actually. I mean, as he only quoted, because of pressure he couldn't do well in TIFR screening test, TIFR Mumbai screening test. So that's why I would suggest, because during college you don't need much financing also. You got to mind, your parents will be financing. But after college, after BSc or MSc, your whole society will be keep on asking you what you're doing. Isn't it? Lot of pressure around you. That's
But
why.
especially in our place also.
That's what I asked. How from Sirsi you went to Kota and spent 1
That
year?
was not the problem. After failing,
How they say?
yeah,
That is the scare everyone will have. Am I right? What if I fail? Am I right? So that's why, I mean, it's always, time can always be managed. Okay, so
but, since we have that mindset, people have that mindset. I don't know about in men, but in women group, they will ask about that. He went there, he couldn't able to crack. What he is doing,
okay,
like that. But when my grandmother used to hear that one,
those things.
she used to pressurize on me.
Pressure,
Yeah,
that happens anyway.
that in village. It's no.
So like that is the suggestion. During your graduation, you can prepare. You can always manage time. And Bhargav, it's very nice that. Thank you so much for being part of SN Bose Physics Learning Center as a student as well as teaching assistant.
My pleasure.
And thank you so much for this time. Okay, giving the precious time. And we will keep troubling you whenever our student need any suggestion or career guidance.
That's fine.
Okay, and start climbing the hill.
Yeah.
Literally in both way. He like to go trekking or hiking. Okay, in other way also. Okay, in your like in your life, in your career also, start climbing higher and higher hill. All the very best. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.